Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to start your own YouTube channel. So what you want to do is, let's say you are on YouTube and you have an account. It's quite easy for you to start your channel by just going right here where your YouTube account is, obviously, and you want to go to, I want to switch account now. Maybe this is the account you're using already, so you want to click on switch account and click on add account. So I have various accounts here. This is the one I use normally, so let me just go right back into this account itself, and let us use this account to create an account on its own, like a YouTube account on its own. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to go down to the same switch account because I have various accounts, and add account. So if I don't have an account already, what I'm going to do is to put create account. Click on create account and you create a Gmail account if you don't have an account. Then if you have a Gmail account already, you want to just go into your Gmail account. So let's say I'm going to use this Gmail account and click on next. Then I'm going to wait for it to give me this access after I have tried to log in. So let me try to log in here. So I am in right now. In that account, and so what I want to do is, this is my account. This is exactly my account on YouTube. But if I don't have an account, what I want to do is I want to create an account. So what I'm going to do is switch account, go to add account, then you want to create an account if you don't have an account. So let's go and create an account. So the former one that I did before was because I had an account, so I could log in normally as an account, right? So if you are creating an account, you want to click on create an account. Then you want to click on either for my personal use, for my child, for my work or business. So because you want to use it to monetize, it's a business obviously. So what you want to do is you want to click on for work or my business. The reason is because if you click for work, it's going to allow you to be able to give access to some other people without needing to give them your Gmail account, so they can enter your YouTube account without needing to give them your account details. So let's go into for my work or my business. Then the first name you want to choose, you don't have to worry, you can just use your name, and doesn't have to be the name you want to use for your YouTube. When you get there, you can actually create any name for it. So let's say I want to create a name and I want to just talk about my story. I want to just talk about, I'm just thinking about what kind of YouTube profile I want to create. But let me put my name first of all. So click on next, then you move on to the next one, which is you put your gender, put your date of birth, put the day, put the year, the gender, next. Email address, you will give an email address. Get a Gmail address instead. You can put Gmail address, get a Gmail address instead. You can create one for you and you can create one for yourself. So let me say I want to create this one, Olufemi Oyekon 854. Let's move on with this. Then I can decide to design a password for myself. Then I move on with this. Then I give a phone number for it to verify. Then we move on to it. So you create that kind of account like that, and the account takes you right into YouTube. So let's assume that we have created this account and it's taking us back to YouTube, because I'm not ready to create any Gmail account right now. So what you will have is an account like this. So you have an account. Say we have our account like this. We have this account already here. You can see the picture of the account that I have already. So and you want to create a YouTube channel. So what you will now do is you click on this and you go to YouTube Studio. And when you click on YouTube Studio, it takes you right into whatever settings that you need to do. Now the issue with having an account here is that you are using a system, but if you want to access YouTube Studio on your phone, you have to download the YouTube Studio app, and everything you are seeing here is what you are going to be seeing on your phone also. Everything, just download the YouTube Studio and log in with that same email that you used to log in to your phone. It's quite very easy. So let's go right into your channel. We want to do the settings. So what you are going to do is go to the settings. With this account now, you can post, you can do anything. You have an account already, a YouTube account already. So what you want to do is you want to start setting up your account.